Yeah, we out here.
Yeah, we out here.
We be doing it.
We be doing it.
Bustin' flows out the asshole.
Out the asshole.
You don't even know though. We don't play.
We don't play.
Never.
Never.
We out here tryna bust mo. It seems like they really wanna get us when we go, but we're never gonna stop. We pursuing it, man. Just leave them where they be, cause they ain't doing it, man. I put them out the misery. That's the way I'm thinking, man. Got no time for bullshit. What they really be thinking, man. I'm out here out my brain every day trying to get shit straight, cause it's driving me all up insane. Out here every day, well I really gotta bait. Got these suckers lurking watching for me every day, but I ain't really tripping what they really be thinking. Open up your motherfucking mind, homie. Yes, I ain't a rapper, I'm a musician. They don't like it cause I'm using what I'm smoking. They don't like the way I'm doing what I'm doing, that's why I'm yoking these bars like they never even heard before. But I don't give a fuck, cause I got your bitch on the floor. Everywhere I go, I'm all about my dough.
Yo, I got blind intuition everywhere I be, and I'm freestyling, motherfucker, when I hit the beat. Man, I'm reppin' CMC, young boy named Navalpin. Yeah, I'm up in the sky, but like the fucking media, I'm dropping into your mind. And it's intertwined with the demons and the angels. And through time, you'll understand the book, you'll read all that shit. And without hearing it, you'll tend to listen. That subconscious conscious trip that you don't know, that's the way life really goes. So check it, Young G Flow. I'm reppin' sucker free from Filmo. Yeah, I'm from some real streets. Y'all fools don't fuck around. We ain't down with beef. We put you underground. So hey, say peace to the rest and whatever the name is. Yeah, motherfucker. Hey, I ain't tripping about getting famous, so I am nameless. Nah, I'm evolving with extortion. So many problems that we got, so don't fuck with us. We some real motherfuckers doing jumpings up into this game. Be spitting the flame. This shit's crazy on some Al-Qaeda, man. Cause I'm from the Middle East, 50%. Yo, my soul never leaves out to the devil. All the demons, whatever they are, in my mind they screaming. I hear them on the weekend, the pretense in which they singing. So I can't even fucking play with the ground that we stepping on. It's a real game. Get your weapons on.
It's a real game, get your weapons on. Put them up if they on your way through your chest. Cause pull it out fully automatic, watching me. People trying to get me, but I'm doing what I say. Trying to get way further from the shit in my brain. But it's driving me insane and it won't let me pay. No matter where I go, I ain't really tripping. Put your bitch on the side and make it start pimping. Money's what I wanna make, so why they gotta hate? Cause this is the hater nation if they didn't know, man. I got to go, man. That's the way I flow, man. I don't give a fuck about you, I got your hoe, man. All up on my G, that's the way it be. She's sucking with her tonsil, that's the way it be. These suckers try to get me cause I'm in the NOB, and I'm the prince and the king. So leave me alone, I ain't tripping about the suckers, you need to head home. Get the fuck out my eyesight, I'm gonna flip out tonight. Got no time for these lames, let them say they don't think they got no game. When they moving, they all a bunch of lame.